it's Miss Dolores from Baldwin Borough Public Library. Welcome back to our third edition of 1000 Books Before Kindergarten. Most of you have joined in the first two sessions. If you're new, welcome. And you can go to our playlist on Facebook or YouTube and find our previous two sessions that your child can join in as well. So you should have picked up another bag, another early literacy kit to follow along with our program today. So we're going to go through a few of the things inside that we're going to use. You have a literacy rhyme and sing card. It's going to be about turkeys, so we're going to do that today. You have a little white bag that has a Thanksgiving type craft inside, so we're going to work on that a little later. You have a book that your child can keep. This would be the third book that we've given away, one on apples, one on pumpkins, and this one's called I Am Thankful by Susie Capozzi. And again, that is your child's to keep. And then you have an activity sheet that we're going to go over, a color by number turkey. The last thing in your bag that you have would be a music maker. So we're going to use this actually for our first song today, and we're going to sing about some turkeys. So we're going to sing, the turkeys on the farm go gobble, gobble, gobble. So you can go ahead and get your music maker out. And this is also yours to keep to use later on. Okay, are you ready? The turkeys on the farm go gobble, 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 gobble. The turkeys on the farm go gobble, gobble, gobble. Thanksgiving Day is near. Oh no, the farmer on the farm says, I want you, I want you, I want you. The farmer on the farm says, I want you, Thanksgiving Day is near. Oh no, the farmer wants the turkeys. The children on the farm say, come and hide. Come and hide, come and hide. The children on the farm say, come and hide. Thanksgiving Day is near. They hid the turkeys. Are you ready? The farmer on the farm looks all around, all around, all around. The farmer on the farm looks all around. Thanksgiving Day is near. Okay, can't find the turkeys. The people on the farm eat Kentucky Fried Chicken, Kentucky Fried Chicken, Kentucky Fried Chicken. The people on the farm eat Kentucky Fried Chicken. Thanksgiving Day is near. Good job, my friends. Good job with your music maker. So you can use this for any song that you want to, and it's great for rhythm. You can teach your child a rhythm. And you can have a music maker and you can ask them to repeat the sounds. So you can start out simple, just like you can ask them to do it back. So lots of good uses for this music maker. Okay, we're going to start out with our book. And like I said, it is called I Am Thankful by Susie Capozzi. I am thankful. Okay, you can see the little boy with his dog. Maybe you have a pet that you're thankful for, or maybe someone you know has a pet that you're thankful for. Okay, open the cover. You can see that this book has some special stickers inside that you can use. And they also have a sheet of stickers in the very back. So this is a really nice book, and it has stickers. Turn the page. I am thankful. Turn the page. There is no school today. Hooray! Maybe you go to preschool, maybe you have preschool at home, or maybe you're not in school yet. I am thankful that I can stay in bed. Pops wakes me up anyway. We have a lot to do. I am thankful Pops lives with us. Okay, so his grandpap lives with him. So maybe you have a grandpap or someone who's like your grandpap that's special in your life. Today is Thanksgiving. First, We help Mom make pies. Pops chops the apples. I peel sweet potatoes. Sweet potato pie is my favorite. Okay, do you like apple pie or sweet potato pie? What do you think? Well, he's cutting the apples and he's cutting the sweet potatoes. You like either one of those? Turn the page. Next, we head to the firehouse. Dad has to work today. I am thankful for what my dad and his crew do to keep us safe. We help the firefighters, and I peel more potatoes. All right, they went to visit Dad at the fire station. Firefighters keep us safe. And then he went back home and he's peeling potatoes. Turn the page. Soon it is time for our town's turkey trot. Some people walk, some people run. We all have fun. I zoom by Pops. He cheers for everyone. Okay, they're in their town and it's called the turkey trot. And you could walk or you can run on this path and you see Pops cheering him on. Turn the page. It starts to drizzle. That means a very light rain. I slip on some wet leaves and I fall. Another runner helps me. We finish the race. I am thankful for my new friend. Pops and I head home. Okay, so he fell and he didn't even know her, but she helped him get up. So he made a new friend. So they're heading back home. Turn the page. My cousins are here. The whole family will play football after we eat. We do this every year. For now, we kids practice. All right, maybe you like to play football outside in your backyard. Turn the page. Oh no, it starts to pour. Look how hard it's raining. So we go inside. We watch football and play games. It's cozy and warm. All right, a little too rainy and they had to go back inside and you can see they're playing a game of checkers and some are watching TV. Turn the page. More family arrives. It gets very loud and a little crowded. Okay, so they're having all their relatives over for Thanksgiving. Turn the page. I check on Great Gran. She sits in her chair by the window. She likes the quiet. Okay, so that's his great grandmother. Very lucky to have a great grandmother. And so she's sitting down in the chair by the window. Turn the page. Great Gran points outside. The leaves go round and round. They dance in the wind. She always spots something special. I am so thankful for Great Gran. Okay, maybe you have a special grandma or great grandma or someone who's like a grandma to you that's really special and that you're thankful for. Turn the page. It's time to eat. Everybody takes a seat at the table. We settle down. Okay, what do you see in the middle of the table? Do you see that turkey? Will you have turkey for Thanksgiving this year? Turn the page. We are thankful for the tasty food. We are thankful for everyone at the table. And we are thankful for loved ones who are not with us. Okay, so sometimes not everybody can be with you. Maybe that will be how your Thanksgiving will be this year, but we still love them. Turn the page. After dinner, we all help clean up. At last, Dad is home. He has great news. The rain has stopped. The wind dried the grass, and the sun is out. Okay, so it's not raining anymore. Where do you think they can go? Think they can go back outside? All right, turn the page. We play football. Looks like they tackled Dad. It's always fun to tackle your grown-up when you're playing and have a good laugh and a lot of fun. Turn the page. But we take a time out to eat some pie too. Yum. Looks like pumpkin pie. I am so thankful. And you can tell your grown up all of the things that you are thankful for this year on Thanksgiving. And if you turn the page, what are you thankful for? Can you think of 3 examples? Okay, can you think of 3 things that you can tell your grown up that you're thankful for? All right, so you can use these stickers on your paper to make a nice drawing and say what you're thankful for. So I hope you enjoyed that book, I Am Thankful, by Susie Capozzi. Okay, so you can see my felt board here. We have some turkeys. They have numbers on, and we're going to count them together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see that each turkey is a different color. Are you ready to say our colors? Let's go through our colors. Well, 2 of them are the same. Do you know which 2 are the same? That's right. Number 1 and number 5. What color are they? Red. Good job. What color is number 2? Yellow. And number 3. What color is that? Orange. And number 4, brown. And we said number 5 was red and number 1 was red. So that's a match. All right, are you ready to sing with me? Show me 5 fingers for the 5 turkeys. Ready? 5 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. 1 little turkey went out the door. What color is this one? That's right, red. When he was gone, then there were 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you show me 4 fingers? Good job. 4 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. 1 little turkey climbed up a tree. Can a turkey climb a tree? That's just silly. When he was gone, then there were 1, 2, 3. What color was this turkey? Tried to climb a tree. That's right, it's brown. Okay, can you show me 3 fingers? 3 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. 1 little turkey flapped his wings and flew. When he was gone, then there were 1, 2. All right, which turkey flapped his wings and flew? What color? That's right, orange. All right, can you show me 2? Good job. 2 little turkeys sat in their pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. 1 little turkey went for a run. When he was gone, then there was 1. Okay, which turkey went for a run? Good job. All right, yellow. All right, what color do we have left on our board? Do you know this color? We'll move it over here. Do you know this color? That's right, it is red. Can you show me 1 finger? 1 little turkey sat in his pen. Hide, turkeys, hide, said the little red hen. The last little turkey flew towards the sun. Okay, he flew away. When he was gone, then there were none. What color little turkey flew towards the sun? What color is this? Red. Good job. Give yourselves a big super clap. You are awesome. All right, we are going to get out our white bag that has our craft in it, and we're going to put together our craft together today. Okay, this is a really simple and quick Thanksgiving craft for your child. It's just painting Indian corn. Maybe you bought some like at the farm and you have it as decoration. So here's a little instruction sheet. You will have 2 pieces of corn on white paper. You will have some raffia that you can tie at the end. You should have 2 Q-tips and paint. So your brown and your yellow might be mixed together, but that's okay. So you're just going to take your Q-tip and dip in, and you're going to paint just different dots anywhere on the paper. Can't mess it up. It's going to be beautiful no matter how it is. And they can also, if you'd rather use a fingerprint or a thumbprint to do this, you can do that. So you're just going to paint the brown and yellow anywhere you want. Mine are kind of mixed together. Okay, and when you're done with that, you're just going to get your other Q-tip and you're going to dip in the orange. And you're just going to make different dots. And if you want to blend it with the brown, feel free. It's your art project. You can make as many splotches and dots as you want. You can look at the picture for reference if you'd like it to be that many or this many. So it basically, you'll need to let this dry. So this is just a beginning of what mine will look like. I'll probably put more dots on. And I wanted to just give you a little pointer. I went ahead and put my raffia through, but you don't have to, so that when it's dry you can just tie it. But if it's easier for your child to just use them separated, that's okay. And when it's dry, you can put the raffia through and tie it. And as you see on the paper, then you have a really cool Thanksgiving craft you can hang anywhere in your home. Okay, and I also have a second craft that's not contained in your kit, but it's really, really simple from items that I know you have at home. So all you would need would be a paper plate, just a white paper plate, not styrofoam, just a white paper plate. And just the same concept with the paints that you have, you could just still use the paints that you have that were given to you, you know, in the literacy kit. But instead, you would paint, and this is done with a sponge brush, or you could do it finger paint. And then you just take some brown construction paper and cut out what would be like a turkey head or body. And you add some eyes and a gobbler. And you have another cute little craft, and you could use up that paint that we gave you today. So just something really simple with objects and materials that you have around your home. Our last activity for today that is in your literacy bag is a color by number sheet. This is really good for children beginning to learn their colors. So wherever it's number 1, they would color green. So this is also good for number recognition and letter recognition. If your child isn't here yet and doesn't know their colors or their numbers, no problem, can just use it as a fun activity sheet. However they color, they color. That if you are working on numbers and letters, this is a good opportunity, and maybe you don't want to do all 5. You can start out with 1 at a time and see if they can recognize that, and make a nice turkey that you can hang on your refrigerator for this Thanksgiving. Well, I hope you enjoyed all our 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten activities and our story today. Tune into next Tuesday for Tiny Tales. So that is another early literacy program that we have that your child can follow along with either on Facebook or our YouTube channel. So I just wanted to mention that if you are not yet registered for 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten, you can go to our website, www.baldwinboroughlibrary.org, and you can click on the the Children and Family tab, and you can just see where 1,000 Books is, and there's a form there that you can register. I wanted to mention that our library is an official polling location. So our library will be closed on Tuesday, November 3rd, and then will be closed on Wednesday, November 4th, so that we can have the library disinfected and cleaned. So we'll be open again on Thursday, November 5th at 10 a.m. Okay, so I hope that you have a good week and a good weekend, and I will see you next Tuesday for Tiny Tales. Bye.